Welcome to On Kids channel. Kookaburra, also known as the laughing kookaburra, is a bird famous in Australia under the nickname laughing bird, known for their catchy singing voice that resembles human laughter. They create unique and recognizable sounds in both forests and residential areas. Size and appearance. The kookaburra is a medium-sized bird with a length of about 40–45 cm. They have brown fur on their back and head, with a white belly. The most characteristic is a black fur patch above the eye and a black stripe across the eye. Food. Kookaburra mainly hunts on the ground, actively hunting small animals such as lizards, mice, and even snakes. Personality. They are generally considered friendly and not afraid of humans, and may even come close to seek food from human hands. Kookaburra Festival. Although there is no official holiday, many areas in Australia hold events and activities to celebrate the kookaburra bird. Kookaburra-like laughter singing competitions and art exhibitions related to them take place regularly. Tourism and promotion. The image of the kookaburra often appears in Australian tourism promotion campaigns, increasing its appeal to those who want to explore the uniqueness of Australian zoology and nature. Singing. The kookaburra is famous for its ability to make laughter-like sounds, often described as coo 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 ha ha ha. Their laughter is often heard during the morning and evening, and can even be synchronized with other members of the herd. Distribution. This bird is common throughout Australia, from woodlands to residential areas and city parks. They adapt well to many different living environments. The kookaburra is not only an icon of Australian zoology but is also an important part of Australian culture and cultural discourse. In Australian culture, kookaburras often appear in works of art, folklore, and even in Australian fairy tales. Their images are often used to symbolize Australia and fun. Thank you. See you in the next part.